Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to accomplish a hard reset operation by using VIVO recovery mode on the VIVO V7000 set. Start by pressing the power key and choose power off. Wait a few seconds until the device is completely switched off. Then use the following combination, power key and volume up. Hold both keys and release them as soon as the logo appears. Now navigate using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing the power key. Scroll down to recovery mode and press the power key to confirm. Wait a few seconds until recovery mode loads. Here you can navigate using both volume keys or simply tap the options. Choose Wipe Data and select it again. If you want to delete all personal data and customize settings, tap Wipe Data one more time. The phone is erasing all personal data and settings. Be patient and wait until it's completed. You'll see Wipe Data successful. Tap OK, then tap back. Select Reboot System and wait a few seconds until the welcome panel appears. Excellent, the welcome panel is up, which means the hard reset is done. Now you can start activating your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.